Have you ever seen a company go from making billions in profit, asterisk, to suddenly reporting massive losses overnight? Asterisk, and just like that, the stock crashes. Investors panic. Wealth disappears. Asterisk, this is not a rare accident in the share market. Asterisk, in fact, it happens again and again. Asterisk, and behind many of these collapses, there is one common culprit, asterisk, goodwill impairment. Asterisk, today, I'm going to walk you through what goodwill really is. Asterisk, why it becomes a ticking time bomb. Asterisk, and most importantly, how you can avoid these investment traps. Asterisk, let's start with the basics. Asterisk, what exactly is goodwill? Asterisk, goodwill is created during mergers and acquisitions. Asterisk, when a company buys another company for more than its net asset value. Asterisk, the extra amount paid is recorded as goodwill. Asterisk, for example, asterisk, if company acquires company B for 500 million, asterisk, but B's actual net assets are only worth 400 million, asterisk, that extra 100 million is goodwill. Asterisk, now, why would anyone pay more than something is worth? Asterisk, because they believe in the future. Asterisk, they're paying for intangible advantages. Asterisk, brand value, customer relationships, technology, growth potential. Asterisk, sounds reasonable, right? Asterisk, but here's where the problem begins. Asterisk, goodwill is not like other assets. Asterisk, it comes with 3 dangerous characteristics. Asterisk, first, it doesn't get amortized every year. Asterisk, instead, companies only test it for impairment annually. Asterisk, this allows risk to quietly accumulate over time. Asterisk, second, it's highly subjective. Asterisk, its value depends on assumptions about the future. Asterisk, future cash flows, growth rates, discount rates. Asterisk, and these assumptions can be optimistic, to say the least. Asterisk, third, it carries accumulated risk. Asterisk, a high acquisition premium means you're pulling future expectations into today. Asterisk, if those expectations fail, the collapse can be brutal. Asterisk, so how does goodwill actually explode? Asterisk, the answer is simple. Asterisk, when reality fails to meet expectations. Asterisk, the acquired company doesn't perform as promised. Asterisk, this can happen for many reasons. Asterisk, externally, industries change. Asterisk, competition intensifies. Regulations tighten. Asterisk, technology disrupts entire business models. Asterisk, internally, integration fails. Asterisk, teams clash. Cultures don't align. Asterisk, key employees leave and suddenly, the company loses its core strength. Asterisk, in many cases, the acquired business was heavily dependent on its original team. Asterisk, once that team is gone, what's left is just an empty shell. Asterisk, and when performance collapses, asterisk, goodwill loses its support. Asterisk, that's when companies are forced to record massive impairment losses. Asterisk, but here's the deeper truth. Asterisk, most goodwill disasters are not accidents. Asterisk, they are baked in from the very beginning. Asterisk, the real problem is overpaying. Asterisk, during market hype, management often agrees to extremely high valuations. Asterisk, they assume rapid growth that may never happen. Asterisk, in some cases, acquisitions are not even about business logic. Asterisk, they are about capital operations. Asterisk, related party transactions. Asterisk, selling weak assets to listed companies at inflated prices. Asterisk, using acquisitions to boost stock prices. Asterisk, and when the time is right. Asterisk, major shareholders exit at high valuations. Asterisk, later, the company writes down the goodwill. Asterisk, investors pay the price. Asterisk, there's another layer to this story. Asterisk, earnings management. Asterisk, goodwill impairment only affects current profits. Asterisk, it does not impact future earnings. Asterisk, so what do some companies do? Asterisk, they take a big bath. Asterisk, during a bad year, they record huge impairment losses all at once. Asterisk, this makes the current year look terrible. Asterisk, but cleans up the balance sheet. Asterisk, next year, suddenly, profits recover. Asterisk, it's not always fraud. Asterisk, but it's definitely something investors must watch carefully. Asterisk, so how do you protect yourself? Asterisk, you don't need complex financial models. Asterisk, you just need to focus on a few key signals. Asterisk, first, watch the ratios. Asterisk, if goodwill is more than 30% of net assets. Asterisk, or more than 3 times annual profit. Asterisk, that's a red flag. Asterisk, second, Read the annual report carefully. Asterisk look at the assumptions behind impairment testing. Asterisk are growth rates and realistically high. Asterisk are discount rates and usually low. Asterisk these are warning signs. Asterisk third. Trace the origin of goodwill. Asterisk go back to the acquisition. Asterisk did the target meet its performance commitments? Asterisk what happened after the earn-out period ended? Asterisk did profits suddenly drop? Asterisk fourth. Analyze management behavior. Asterisk do they frequently engage in high premium acquisitions? Asterisk do they jump across industries with no clear strategy? Asterisk if yes, you're likely looking at a capital gain, not real business growth. Asterisk fifth. Watch the timing of impairments. Asterisk if large write-offs happen during industry downturns. Asterisk it could be a big bath strategy. Asterisk and finally asterisk diversify your investments. Asterisk never put too much money into a single company. Asterisk especially one with high goodwill risk. Asterisk now. Here's an important question. Asterisk is goodwill impairment always bad? Asterisk not necessarily. Asterisk in the short term, yes. Asterisk profits drop sharply, and stock prices often fall. Asterisk but in the long term, asterisk if the core business is still strong, asterisk impairment can actually be a reset. Asterisk it removes bad assets. Asterisk cleans up the balance sheet. Asterisk and allows the company to refocus on what truly matters. Asterisk however, if the company's fundamentals are already weak. Asterisk then impairment is not the end of the problem. Asterisk it's just the beginning. Asterisk let's wrap this up. Asterisk goodwill itself is not evil. Asterisk in fact, many successful companies grow through acquisitions. Asterisk but problems arise when goodwill is built on asterisk overconfidence, poor judgment, or hidden agendas. Asterisk as an investor, your goal is simple. Asterisk don't just look at the numbers. Asterisk look behind them. Asterisk understand the acquisition. Asterisk understand the business. Asterisk understand the people making the decisions. Asterisk because at the end of the day asterisk you are not investing in goodwill. Asterisk you are investing in real earnings. Asterisk and only real earnings. Asterisk create real wealth.